Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half North Trail 22 CRB Caliber Edition by Heartland RV. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside, back to the outside of this new RV, and then we're going to close it all up and show you what it looks like closed. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new North Trail Caliber Edition travel trailer here. And we're going to walk around the inside and then we're going to head on to the outside and then we'll close her all up. We're going to start here in the center section here. You have an L-shaped sofa slash dinette area here. So this is kind of cool. That table is completely removable, so you can take it out of your way if you don't want it in here. But it also is twistable and turnable, so it's easy to get in and out of there. The one portion of the sofa does actually flip out, allowing you to make this into a decent sized bed. You have a good amount of overhead cabinet storage there in this model, and still get a decent sized window back there that opens about 50%. There's a couple brands making this floor plan. They put this gigantic window there, but you lose all that storage up top. And if you know a small RV, having storage is very important. Over to the right of the sofa is your refrigerator area. And here you have an 8 cubic foot gas and electric Dometic refrigerator. A lot of brands are going to 12 volt refrigerators now, but these guys are still doing and offering the gas electric for that customer that wants it. On the right side here, you have your kitchen area here. So you have a couple pull-out drawers down there on the left side of the cabinet area there. Some storage underneath the sink. Overhead cabinets as well. Decent amount of space there. Part of the upgraded Caliber package is these countertops. These are solid surface Korean style countertops, heavy duty counters. Dual matching sink covers there, and the high-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. You also have a window back there, so again that does open, allowing you to let a lot of cross breeze and stuff like that come in and out of here. Traditional RV microwave up top. They're currently using the Greystone microwave. And you have the Furrion gas stovetop, not electric, just gas. But it has a 12 volt light and stuff on the knobs, and you also have a light inside there as well. Little flip down glass lid. And you've got your traditional hood range and fan exhaust right there as well. Now, TV area is directly across from your sofa slash dinette area. So it's nice and easy to sit down, relax, and watch TV there. There's also a stereo system there. And you have some storage below. Central vacuum system down there. Electric box with your breakers and fuses. And you can also see one of the heat vents there coming out below the central vac. A lot of vinyl floor in the coach. A little bit of carpet on the slide out section there just to kind of hide the slide mechanisms and stuff. But everything else is basically vinyl floor. Now you have a large sliding door to close off your bathroom. This thing has a huge bathroom back here. Tons and tons of counter space back here for a bathroom. A little bit of storage below the sink area there. Upgraded porcelain foot flush toilet. That's another one of the Caliber package features there. Some storage on the right under that counter. And you have a good amount of overhead cabinet space as well. Little fan and vent, and even a window in the bathroom with a nightshade on it. Skylight up above the shower area. Then you do have a good amount of cabinet space back here for your towels and washcloths and stuff like that. And a decent sized shower with the pull across vinyl door there. Again, guys, don't forget to visit couchesrvnation.com. They're one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country, and it'll definitely save you guys a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Couches RV Nation can be reached at 888-417-8299. Now, in the bedroom area here, you have overhead cabinets. There's a little center shelf up there, which is kind of nice. Great place to put your smartphone or alarm clock, something like that. There's an electric outlet up there too. Little light switch to turn off the little accent LED light up above there. And then you do have hanging closet on both sides. And there's obviously, you can see to the left and right of the mattress there, there is plenty of room right there to set things there as well too, like a drink or things like that. And you have a camper king size bed, where most RVs just have a short queen. Here you actually have a camper king. So that's a pretty cool upgrade compared to some other brands. And then you have some storage shelf space down below here. A decent amount of room to maneuver around in this bedroom actually. You can see the heat vent down there. There's also TV hookups there as well. Another window over there. We are going to head to the outside, show you around a little bit, and then we'll close her up and show you what it all looks like closed. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of this new North Trail Caliber Edition travel trailer here. We're going to start here in the front and then work our way around again, and then we're going to close her all up. Power tongue jack with built-in LED light and manual override. 2 5/16 hitch ball, safety chains, 7-way Bargman plug, which controls all your lighting and your brakes. Down on the lower right of the frame there is a pre-wire setup for a portable solar panel if you wanted to do portable solar. The new cap is pretty cool for the mid-year model change. It has 4 LED light strips in it, 3/4 heavy-duty thick fiberglass front cap instead of a less expensive smooth roll fiberglass. So just a little bit nicer setup. Lower section there is a metal diamond plate. The unit comes standard with 1 RV battery, deep cycle interstate marine battery from Couches RV Nation. There's room for 2 if you wanted to do a second. There's none from the RV manufacturer, so do make sure, depending on where you buy your camper, at least comes with 1. And there's a battery disconnect down there as well for the RV battery system. Backing up here so you can see a little bit better here. Power awning. LED light strip built in against the coach there, adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff. And then it does still have a traditional amber RV porch light there by the entry door. So if you just need a little bit of light or you want a lot of light, you have 2 choices there. You have a really large storage door here, big storage compartment in general for the front of a travel trailer. You see it pop up there. There's also the controls for the power jacks. Again, this was a Caliber Edition version, which has some upgraded features we'll put in the description below, and one of those being power stabilizer jacks. And you see in that jack there, just to the left of it, is also the drain as well. Furnace exhaust out this side here. Just to the left of that furnace is an electric outlet, your freshwater tank fill up, and you have 2 outdoor speakers here and your stove exhaust. Deep tint safety glass windows, nice dark windows, which will help keep the inside of the RV from heating up, also help keep inside of the RV from fading out as bad from UV rays and stuff like that. Just like tinting the windows on your car, basically. Here you have the wide stance axle system. This makes it more stable traveling down the highway. It is a little harder to twist and turn and stuff like that when you are in, slow motion, kind of going into a campground kind of thing. But when you're traveling down the highway at 65, 70 miles an hour, it does help a lot. More ride step above steps here, flip up into the entry door, but they come down, touch the ground. They're stronger and just a little bit heavier duty step. They don't shake the coach as bad when you're running in and out, especially if the grandkids are with you or something like that. Kids are with you. It just kind of helps keep that camper from rocking and rolling. Traditional screen door and entry door. Now this entry door window is actually set up for the thin shade ready blind. There's actually a blind you can buy that fits right in there and pulls down for privacy of your entry door. Larger folding entry handle to help you get in and out of the coach there. Gas and electric water heater on the rear. And there's a propane LP hookup down there, along with a couple low point water drains by that power jack you're seeing pop up. Next to the entry door here, you see your 3-year limited structural warranty sticker. Just an advertisement sticker to remind you that Heartland does come with a 3-year limited structural warranty. A lot of RV brands don't. They're 1 year. So that's pretty important. It is becoming more popular in the RV industry, but there are still some not doing that. And also you'll see by the entry door there, the Asdale on board sticker, huge upgrade to the construction of the fiberglass of an RV, and the 2-inch thick sidewall sticker. A lot of lightweight trailers are only 1.5 inch thick sidewall. So this, again, 2-inch thick, you got better insulation property for those hot summer days or those cold fall nights if you're out camping. Pre-wired and set up for a backup camera on the rear of the RV. Now this one already has the camera up there, and this customer chose to do that feature. The observation camera by Furrion is what I recommend. It's pre-wired for that, but also you can use it while you're driving down the road versus just in reverse kind of thing. So nice feature there. Little flip down luggage rack, part of the Caliber upgrade package. Folds down. Basically, you can put some luggage on there, put a bike or two on there. So just a nice little feature there. 4-inch square tube bumper, great place to store your dump hose. And just in behind that rack to the right of that left taillight there is an outside utility shower, hot and cold water, black tank flush, and city water hookups. Now on the back corner here on this side is your power cord hookup. It is a detachable power cord. So you just twist it off, comes down. It's about 25 or 30 feet long roughly. Power rear stabilizer jacks as well, again part of that Caliber package. Just to the left of that jack you can see your gray and black tank dump right there. Slide out is electric, so you push a button, it goes in and out nice and easy. You'll see that when we close her all up. 2 black panels here on the side of the slide are the vent and maintenance purposes for that gas electric refrigerator you've seen inside there. Now under here we have a second gray tank dump right here. This is for the kitchen sink, so there are 2 separate dumps on this model. The other side of the storage compartment, again, slam lock baggage doors and magnetic holders there. Nice feature. And then we're going to pop up all your weight stickers and stuff. So your dry weight, your gross weight, carrying capacities, tire sizes, all that type of stuff you'll see popping up here. Really nice, heavy duty, lightweight style trailer. A lot of cool features here, guys. We're going to close this thing up real quick, and we'll be right back here in just a second. All right, guys, I got her all closed up here, so just wanted to kind of show you what that looks like here on the outside real fast. We're gonna go on around to the inside real quick, show you the inside. And I actually forgot to mention the big closet behind the TV earlier, so I wanted to show you that too real fast. Get you an idea what this all looks like closed up. So when you first walk up into the coach here, immediately on the right is actually a big closet area. And some controls right there. So we'll pop this open for you. You have a lot of storage back in behind here. And it's even got a little coat hook holder as well. Little shelves back there. So pretty cool feature. Now back to looking at this thing closed up here. Kind of get a good idea here what everything looks like. So you can come in. I'm standing in the bathroom, so you got plenty of room to come in, get back here into the bathroom. You can kind of step over the edge of the sofa there a little bit, get to your refrigerator, get to your sink. All that type of stuff is totally functional with the thing closed up. But your bedroom, on the other hand, you can't get to. That is, unless you're super skinny back there, but I don't think you'd fit. It's real simple. Again, you have a little button right here, and all you got to do, if you need to get to the bedroom area, when you stop at a rest area or something like that, or a Walmart parking lot, you can bump this out a few inches. You can bump it out all the way. You just let go of the button and it stops. So nice and easy to do. And same thing goes when we close it up here. You just push the button to bring it back in. Nice and simple, guys. You're ready to hit the road.